This video from Shop Stuff, we're taking a look at the new Meto Expert S 1026 date coder. It's a single line date coding tool from Meto and replaces the old Eagle 1026 date coder. If you've got an Eagle 1026 date coder and looking to reorder, you can't, they're now discontinued. The gun's still fully serviceable, and the labels and ink rollers you've got for your Eagle 1026 will work in the new Expert S 1026. So here's the tool, single line, so it takes the 2612 wavy edge labels. It's easy to change the characters on here. So the way these guns are designed, I'll show you some samples of print, but you've basically got the first two digits are numeric, allowing you to put in the date. So I've got 31st, and then the third band is the month. So you've got all the months along there. I've currently got mine set to December. You've obviously got them all on there, and they're nicely covered in one band. And then you've got the year. So obviously this video is going to get dated eventually. The gun's released in 2023, the summer of. So my date year bands go from 23 all the way up to 27. But obviously as the years progress, that'll change. But yeah, that's the dates covered in the first five bands: day, month, year. And then you've got 5 more bands after that. So here's some sample of what you can have printed out. So 31st December 27, and then a 5-digit code, and then the date, same date with the price, and then a slightly different way of putting a code in. So it's a pretty useful tool. You don't really use it specifically for pricing. You'd use this if you were date marking products or items, so you can use them with some type of batch label, or use by or best before labels. So these 1026 S date coders are available from shopstuff.co.uk. I'll put up all the links in the video to where you can order them from. A bit about Meto, if you're not familiar with Meto labelers, they're a German manufacturer, have been manufacturing handheld labelling systems since the 50s. They're the best ones out there, there's no two ways about it. All the tools come with a UK warranty, but they're also fully serviceable beyond their warranty period. So we kind of look at the life of a Meto tool in decades, if it's looked after and serviced, rather than months or years. So you can buy cheaper price guns on the internet, but if you drop them and break them, the parts aren't available, and also there's no service centres to sort them out. That's different with Meto. There's multiple service centres where they can be repaired and have their service life extended. All the consumables are available from shopstuff.co.uk as well, and appearing on screen now I'll have video instructions showing you how to change the labels, how to change the ink rollers, and then also a playlist of the different tools available in the Expert S range. So there's the 626, the 826, and then the 1026 date coder. So feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit shopstuff.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.